up on it. God is loaded. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on it. Come over and check up on it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're here with another how-to video. I'm on my Zoom. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend to come on over, come rock with your girl. We are growing and glowing over here, okay? But today we are talking about batch creating for YouTube. Today, January 20th, is the first time ever that I have batch created for YouTube, and I want to show you guys exactly what I did to batch create and my plan step by step and all of the things. It's going to be a really quick video, not too much, but I just want to show y'all what I did. So get your pen and paper, your iPad, whatever you use to take notes on, and let's get into it, girl, because I learned something today. And this is going to make my life so much easier. So much easier. So let's get straight into the video, girl. Too much yapping. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to do was focus on long form, short form content. And when I say long form, meaning it is a landscape video, but it's not 30 minutes long. I post weekly vlogs, I post closet talks, and I am a yapper. A video will just be long for no reason at all. So my focus today was to concentrate on long form, short form content. So I know I wanted to post in landscape, but I wanted to keep the videos under 15 minutes. 15 minutes max. If I'm shooting 15 minutes max, I can get so many videos done at once. So my plan, 15-minute videos, that's it, or less, but they have to be more than 8 minutes long. That's just for me, not for YouTube. You want them to be more than 8 minutes long, but not over 15 minutes. So the first thing that I did was go straight to Chatgpt. Shout out to my friend Ashley, because baby, I wasn't really into the chat like that. But I am so into it now to just get ideas on what I can shoot. So I'm going to add a little screen recording of what I typed in and with the prompts and the ideas that it gave me. So the first thing I did was type in 10 15-minute video ideas for YouTube that involve fashion and beauty. And Chatgpt says, say less, my girl. Here you go. It gave me 10 different videos. And I took some of them, didn't take some of them. See what would be easier to shoot in less than 15 minutes and what needed to be more descriptive. So some of the ones that I got were how to clean out your closet, 3 ways to style a white t-shirt. These are the ones that I already did. I have to go and do another screen recording because I didn't remember to screen record when I initially did the Chatgpt search this morning. So I'm just giving to y'all what I actually wrote down in my notepad from this morning, but just showing a screen recording of some ideas that you could possibly get from Chatgpt. So mine were 3 ways to style a white t-shirt, how to clean out your closet, fashion on a budget, how to accessorize, transforming an outfit with accessories, closet organization, decluttering tips, how to style denim, casual to dressy. And the other ones that I just came off the top of my head was a full closet tour because the girls have been talking about it. I created the denim, I filmed the denim in short form, but I never showed it long form. So I'm showing that as well. Gadgets that I used is one, and then is how to batch create content on YouTube is the other. So I have 10 ideas that geared me up for this long form, short form content day. I'm finding that I could never say that right. Chatgpt is extremely helpful, especially if you don't have a clue on what you actually want to shoot for the day, it helps lead you in the right direction, and you spice it up, say what you want, however you want to do it on your own. So if you're having a mental block, if you're not quite sure what you want to shoot, or you need some ideas just to get the ball rolling, Chatgpt. Chatgpt will tell you exactly what you need to do, and you can tweak it, flip it, however you want to do it to make it best for you and your brand. So that is what I did. Chatgpt. Yeah. This is my first time ever batching, because all of the videos that are currently on my YouTube are long form content. My weekly vlogs or my closet talks that can run between 45 minutes to an hour and some change. But I wanted to batch out more content on YouTube to get more eyes on my actual profile. So I wanted to do more shorter form content, because the girls said they have a short attention span. They cannot watch the 30 minutes to an hour videos. So I want to be able to make sure I have a little bit of both for my girls that don't love a 1 hour video, and then for my girls like get to it bookie. So I wanted to make sure I had a mix of timestamps in there so I can cater to my entire audience and they get to see my gorgeous face. So this is my first time doing it, and I'm actually going to keep up with batch creating content. The next thing that I do is write it down. If you're a tablet girly, iPhone girly, pen and paper girly, write down all the ideas. Write them down. So what I did was, for this first one here, it's the closet tour. What I did was write down my steps. I'm trying to get better with writing prompts and giving my brain an outline of what I'm going to talk about instead of just blabbing. So I wrote down closet tour. I wanted to do an intro, show the closet, panel view, explain why it's color coordinated, denim hanging, why sunglass holder, shoebox, handbags. So this keeps me on track, because we only have 15 minutes to chat. We literally only have 15 minutes to chat. So it keeps me on track to make sure that I'm discussing everything that's in the closet and everything that I know that people want to see. So if you're writing down your ideas, say ChatGPT says do your morning skincare routine. Hey, my name is Naya, I want to do my morning skincare routine. The next thing you do is like show the products, wash your face, But if you're good at keeping up with the Joneses, keep up with the Joneses. But for me, my brain moves a mile a minute, and I'll forget to talk about something, or I'll forget a step. So it helps me to kind of jot down the outline, so when I am talking, I can roll with the punches and not go over the 15-minute mark. Another trick, another step that I've learned, just like how you batch create short form content, book yourself 4 to 5 hours to get it done. You can knock out so much YouTube content within 4 hours. Is ridiculous, because again, you're only shooting 15-minute videos. Now if you're going a little bit longer and you're trying to arrange to 30 minutes or longer, I don't know if you can get as many videos done in 4 hours, but because my goal was to do 15 minutes or less, I was able to shoot 7 videos today. 7. That can get me through the rest of January and beginning of February. 7. So whatever you want your timestamp to be, schedule it, write it down, and then book that time in your calendar. No distractions. Do not disturb. Airplane mode. Get it on. Get it done. I did not change my pants once. I changed my tops. I changed a sweater. I changed my glasses, but the makeup and the hair, it stayed the same. I can't do a whole bunch of rearranging and doing all of the things, because then that takes up a little bit more time for me. And plus, I went to the gym this morning. I wasn't about to watch and straighten my hair. It's slick back bun. It is what it is. So it helps to book yourself 4 hours. Like today is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. That's the only holiday that I recognize, and that's the only thing that's going on today. Okay, so I booked myself like I actually had to work, but I didn't work a full 8-hour shift. So I worked a half day today. I gave myself from 12 to 4 to do some uninterrupted work, take a little break, get some water, and get it done. You have to block out time in order to successfully complete batching. That's long or short. Block out uninterrupted time. Even if you only have 2 hours of uninterrupted time, plan it out so well that it's a solid 2 hours and you got so much done within that time frame. So book yourself. Like, you just book it in my bio. I'm booked from 12 to 4 and I got to do this content. Book yourself 4 to 5 hours to get it done, and then just shoot. Have fun with it. Just have fun with it, honestly. Have fun with it. Batch creating is fun. It is very tiring because I am about to go and lay on the couch and watch Netflix. This is my last video. It's 4:04, so I'm getting paid overtime. But it helps keep you up to date. It helps you have something to constantly post. And I love that for me because I go back to work tomorrow and sometimes I just don't have the time or the resources to batch shoot during the week. Between the gym and actually working and trying to get 10K steps, it just becomes too much. But now that I have an off day, I have 4 hours to get it done, get the content done, crisp, clean, and now I just have to edit it as I go. I don't batch edit. I edit as I go. Batch editing is actually kind of wild. And if you can do it, kudos to you. I can't batch edit. I edit as I go. But yes, that's what I've learned today. And I'm honestly going to keep doing this. Try to do this on a month-to-month basis, especially for my 15-minute content. That 15-minute content that I just want to push out because I want to start posting more weekly so I can build this community. I'm gonna batch it. Weekly vlogs are still happening. Closet talks are still happening. But in between those longer form videos, I need longer short form videos. So yeah, I hope this helped. Take 4 to 5 hours. Go on a chat. Take 4 to 5 hours. Go on a Chatgpt. Ask them for some ideas. Since everything wants to be AI, use it. Ask them for some ideas. Jot down the ones that speak the loudest to you and get to work, sissy. Get to work, Pookie. Girls, guys, whoever. It's the easiest thing to do. If you're really serious about it, I promise it's going to work out perfect. So take the time. I hope this helps. I cannot wait to sit down and actually look at all of my footage from the batch creation because I have it all on one SD card. That SD card was zeroed out, nothing on it when I started, and I put all of those videos on the zeroed out SD card. So when it's time to edit, I don't have to go back and forth between SD cards. I can go watch all the footage. So once this video finishes downloading, I'll pop this bad boy in, look at the footage, edit, and go. So I hope this helped you guys. Take that time, use Chatgpt, start writing down your ideas. So when that day comes up that you booked yourself for 4 to 5 hours, all you have to do is turn the lights on and hit record. Happy batching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend to come on over. I'm about to wipe this makeup off and I'm going to lay on the couch and watch Netflix. Bye.